Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the morning prayer near Khaybar when it was still dark and then said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest. Khaybar has got ruined. For when we dismounted at the battlefield of a people, the morning of the infidels won't get spoiled. Hearing it, the residents of Khaybar started running in the streets. So the Prophet ﷺ slew the combatant Jews and held the children and women as captives, who included Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu anha. She happened to be the share of Hazrat Dhiya Kalabi radiyallahu anhu, which was later on presented to the Prophet ﷺ. He ﷺ manumitted her and married her, and her freedom was set as her jointure. Abdul Aziz bin Suhaib inquired from Thabit, O Abu Muhammad, did you inquire of Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu about her jointure? Thabit, testifying it, nodded his head in agreement. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4200.